To close your Fidelity account, follow these steps. Review your account. Before closing your Fidelity account, ensure that all transactions, pending orders, and investments have been resolved. Transfer or liquidate any holdings, such as stocks, bonds, or mutual funds if necessary. Also, make sure to withdraw any remaining funds from the account. Contact Fidelity customer service. Log into your account. Sign into your Fidelity account on their website. Find contact information. Navigate to the help and support section to locate the customer service phone number or live chat option. Call or chat with Fidelity. Contact Fidelity's customer support team to request account closure. Be ready to verify your identity and provide your account details. Request account closure. Explain that you wish to close your account. The representative will guide you through the necessary steps and confirm if any pending actions need to be completed before closure. They will provide instructions for sending any remaining balance to your linked bank account. Receive confirmation. After completing the process, Fidelity will send a confirmation of account closure. Ensure that you retain this confirmation for your records.